Guys, so today I am collabing with another YouTuber, which is making his first vid on request. His name is Great Train. Subscribe to him, I think that's his name. So just subscribe to him and just enjoy the video. Okay.
Okay.
What do you want to do now?
Do you want to just play around?
Yeah, I mean, we can.
I love this run.
Okay, let's go in over here. Come on. I remember we did this. This kid found me, I guess, on Alto's comments.
Yeah. So
I think he doesn't know the way to join.
you know here. No, I'm following you. That's all following. So I don't really know. I don't really remember though. So,
Okay. Hey, Great Train is here.
he's in here.
Come here, Johnny. Johnny. Wonder how do we get
his fingers out? Oh, Jet's here.
What the heck? What the heck? Look! Look! Great!
Wait, no, that's not Alto. That's
I mean, I can see if Alto was joined. Want me to get Alto on? I might get Alto on. Let me see if he wants to get on. Yeah, I'm gonna see if he wants to get on. Just 1 second.
I'm gonna put right here in the wall. I'm doing it wrong here.
Okay, I'm asking him if he can join. 1 sec, I need to reset my game.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
Okay guys, I'm gonna stop the video right here. I'll start doing it again after this. Alright, so today I am collabing with another YouTuber, which is making his first vid.